Here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every single day seems like time is getting short. So I'm trying to get it right. I'm trying to be a good sport. At times I get tough in my life. Losing the ones I love and making me lose control. Death by cancer is on the road. I don't know what to do, so I'ma pay the toll. But it looks like money is the way to go. I'm not growing up, but I'm not tired of L's. Oh my gosh, where am I going? I'm not going to that drill cell. Y'all can't keep me down, cause I swear I will never ever be a clown no matter what I do. The devil's always casting spells, just like the world, trying to keep me locked down in the cell. But from your weapons, they won't prosper, because I'm coming with something stronger. You might have a chopper, but that's okay. But I got something that will last longer. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, what do? I don't know what to do, so I'ma count to 3 with you. Oh my, the older I get, the more I see. God is on my side while the devil out to get me. I'm trying to not give up because I can't let him win. God got a plan and he made me. He made me into a man. I thank him for every day. That's why I gotta say one thing. I found a way and I'ma stay in the game like it's my last name. And I don't know what to do, so I'm coming from the dome. And I gotta let you people know I'm coming from my home. And I'm on my way, rising to the top. And I don't know what to do, so I'm just not gonna stop. Said it keep going, it keep going. I keep flowing and I gotta let you know that I'm rowing like a boat and I don't know what to do. So I'm always winning, I'ma keep on going higher. And you know that I'm ending like this, like that. I never do this and never do that. Oh my gosh, where am I going from here? I don't know where to go, so I gotta keep my hands up high to the Lord. See, he blessing me every single day. I don't know what to do, so I'ma find a way. Please tell me why you thought I was done. I said I never been the one to run, so I'ma stay with it. I'ma keep going and I'ma let you know that I'm running for it. And I don't really know what to do, so please tell me why you thought I loved you and you was only here for just a little while. I don't know what to do, cause I am a child. I swear I'm steady going, cause I got a lot on my mind. On my mind, I'm steady on my grind. I'm never running out of time, cause I'm running towards the goal and I don't know where